In today's video, we're going to be unboxing a new release from G-SHOCK as a part of the G-LIDE range. Glide? G-LIDE? I'm not sure how they want me to pronounce that. Anyway, this is the G-SHOCK GBX100-8D, a sports and fitness focused digital watch with a bunch of features. On the outside, it sports a beige silicone band, a brushed stainless steel bezel, and these textured black buttons. But it's the insides of this watch that make it what it is, as this model is marketed towards the surfers. And surfers will rejoice. The GBX100 offers easy access to essential tide, sunrise, and sunset information for 3,300 locations worldwide. To access that information, a quick push of the lap button is all it takes. Continuing to press the lap button will allow you to cycle through to more detailed information about the location you have set. You can easily set that location through the dedicated G-SHOCK Move app, where you can also change any other settings on this watch. I think this goes without saying, but this watch is 200 meters waterproof and of course shock and magnetic resistant. Now, one thing I haven't mentioned is the display. The display is an inverted MIP display. These MIP displays are special as they use very little power and show excellent readability. This one is inverted, meaning the digits show up as white, but I still find it an absolute breeze to read the time and decipher all the graphs. A 50.9mm case diameter puts this watch on the larger side of things, but it's still small for a G-SHOCK. It wears pretty nice too with its soft silicone band, and a stainless steel double buckle keeps this one firmly on the wrist. So there we go, a new G-LIDE or Glide model from G-SHOCK. What do we think? Are you a surfer? Would you wear this watch? Let me know in the comments down below. Hit like if you like this video. Make sure to subscribe to the Watch Depot channel for more watch content, and I'll catch you in the next one.